Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going through the children's clothes that I have put up for summertime, and I am just picking out some outfits. I'm not going to keep all of them because they, as you will see, they both had way too many clothes and there's just no need for them to have this many clothes come summer. So I am just going through them and matching up outfits and only keeping a smaller number of clothes and clothes with outfits. That way we just have less stuff. But as you can see, I'm just gonna start out by separating out Caleb's clothes in the different sizes and then going from there. I'm just separating them out, 4T, 5T, 6, and then 7 and 8. So that's where there's 3 separate piles. And right now, you can't really see, but I'm just trying some of them on to see which size fits him best. And it was actually the 6s, so I kept the majority of the 6s. And right here, I'm just going through and matching up outfits with shorts and shirts. That way, everything I kept has a match, and it's not just random clothes in the basket. It's actual outfits. This just helps me, even their winter clothes that are in their drawer now. When I fold their clothes, I match them outfits, and I have outfits in the drawers instead of just shirts in one drawer, pants in one drawer. I have outfits matched together, so that way he can go in and get himself out some clothes, and I don't have to worry about it matching. And it always also just makes it a lot easier when I am folding laundry. And now I'm just going through some winter clothes we were given today and just seeing if I'm actually going to keep them or not, which I decided not to keep them aside from the pants because he can actually wear the pants right now. But since winter is almost over and he does have enough winter clothes to last till summer, I decided not to keep any of the ones we were given today. Instead, I'm just going to go ahead and donate them. So I've got all his clothes gone through. Just some pajamas. I kept all the collared shirts of the various sizes. He's got 6 outfits that are size 6, 7, or 6 outfits that are size 7 and 8, and then 9 outfits that are size 5, 6. Because I'm pretty sure he's going to go through a growth spurt in the middle of summer, just because that's what he typically does. So I want to make sure I have enough in both sizes to last him all summer, so we won't have to go out and get any clothes. The only thing we might have to go get is some thin summer pajamas, and then also maybe a couple sleeveless shirts to replace some of his other ones. Just depends on how hot it gets here. I mean, we are in the Midwest, so it gets hot, but it doesn't get super hot. And he also needs a new swimsuit. So Caleb's clothes are done, and I've weeded them down. Zoe's is next, and she has a whole lot. These are all the clothes that I am donating that were his. A lot of clothes. And now on to Zoe's. She had so much. Over the winter and towards the end of last summer, we were given a bunch of clothes for her. So I just stuck them all in the basket and I was like, I'll go through them closer to the time to see what size she's in. But she had so much and it really felt so good to just go through them and get rid of a bunch of them and donate them and have outfits planned out and just keep things that I know I'll put her in and she'll wear, and things that will actually work for us. It's such a satisfying feeling. So, the size she's closest to, which is 3T, we do not have a lot. 4T. So much 4T. And then just a small handful of 5T. I don't expect her to be in 5T this year. Maybe come winter time, but not really summer, just because it's such a guess. She's in 3Ts right now. So the 3T, 4T is what she's going to be in. But now we're going to go through and match up outfits. And now I'm going to just go through and match up some outfits for her. Outfits that I know I'll put her in and that we'll keep and she will wear. So that's what's going on now, is matching up outfits. it was kind of hard picking which ones to keep and to put her in because they were all so cute, and I did want to keep them all, but I just had to go through them and get rid of stuff that I know I wouldn't put her in and keep the things that I would actually put her in and make outfits. But I can't wait to put her in all the cute little clothes come summertime. I actually got all of their clothes now for summer fit into one basket, along with shoes that they will grow into. But Zoe, she does still have more clothes than Caleb. She has, she's got about 15 shorts and t-shirts, outfits, and then about 10 dresses and overalls and stuff like that. But this is all of her clothes that I am donating. A whole bunch of little girl clothes, because she had, those are pajamas, she had a whole bunch of clothes.